Can you tell me which bird is this from the sound it's making? Let's start now. Which is this bird, peacock or duck? Yes, this is a peacock. Okay, let's move to the next one. Which bird is making this noise? This is a crow. Okay, let's move to the next one. Who is singing here? Coal or a sparrow? Yes, that's a coal or a cuckoo. This one is simple. Tell me which bird is this from its sound? Yes, that's a duck quacking. Quack quack. Which bird makes this noise? Want hint? It flies high in the sky. Yes, right, that's an eagle. Which bird is making this noise? Here is an hint. It comes in the night as it's a night bird. Correct, that's an owl. Can you tell me which birds are making this noise? Seagulls or parrots? Yes, these are seagulls. This one is an easy one. Identify the bird from the sound. Right, that's a rooster. Which small bird is chirping here? Yes, sparrows. The sparrows. Identify me. I am a big bird. Can you tell my name? That's an ostrich. Which birds are making this noise? Parrots, yes, right, these are parrots. Time for next one. This bird is hitting the wood with its beak to make this noise. Can you tell which birds is this? Yes, that's a woodpecker. Which one is making this noise? That's a kingfisher. Here comes the last one. Which bird is making this noise? Yes, right, that's a pigeon.